Let me ask you something. What if your next conference could speak every language that your visitors do without you having to hire a single extra person? For those of you who don't know me, I'm Zelda. I've spent the last 20 years in management consulting, helping solve some really tough problems across multiple industries. And a few months ago, I decided I was going to teach myself how to code. Not because I planned to become a developer, but because I feel like I needed to understand how AI could solve real world problems. And let me tell you, this one is a game changer. Imagine this. An AI agent that knows the full content of your conference, exhibition, or event. It can guide visitors in their own language. It can tell them where to go, what's on, and when. It can answer pre-event questions and help them register, even send confirmation texts or emails. It could even send a payment link. No more giant 50-page brochures that no one reads, just a smart, multilingual hub that makes your visitors' lives easier and your support costs much lower. As a business, this means 24/7 reach, no extra overhead, maybe even no support desk at all. Sounds wild, right? I've built it and I'm going to show you how it works.
Hi there. Welcome to Gastech Milan 2025. I'm Sophia. Who am I speaking with?
Hi Sophia, it's Zelda here. How are you?
Hi Zelda. I'm great. Thanks for asking. What questions can I answer for you about Gastech 2025?
Aurez-vous des représentants de la France au salon?
Oui, Zelda. Nous aurons des représentants de la France au salon. Par exemple, des entreprises comme Total Energy, NG, Air Liquide, GRT Gaz et Technip Energies seront présentes. Avez-vous d'autres questions?
Di cosa si occupa il Gastech Energy Club?
Il Gastech Energy Club è una piattaforma esclusiva dedicata ai leader del settore energetico. È pensata per favorire discussioni strategiche e collaborazioni di alto livello tra i professionisti e gli innovatori del settore energetico. Attraverso incontri, eventi e networking, il club mira a guidare il futuro delle tecnologie legate al gas naturale, GNL, idrogeno e clima. Hai altre domande su Gastech 2025?
Worum geht es in der Dream Tech Exhibition?
Die Dream Market Tech Exhibition ist eine spannende Plattform auf der Gastech 2025. Dabei geht es darum, innovative Technologien und Lösungen im Energiebereich zu präsentieren. Es ist eine Gelegenheit für Unternehmen, ihre neuesten Produkte und Dienstleistungen zu zeigen, die die Zukunft von Erdgas, LNG, Wasserstoff und Klimatechnologien gestalten könnten. Haben Sie noch weitere Fragen?
Yes, back to English again. Which conferences can I choose from if I go to Gastech this year?
Okay, Zelda, you've got a lot of great conferences to choose from at Gastech 2025. Let's see. There's the Strategic Conference, the Technical and Commercial Conference, and then there's the AI Energy Conference and Climate Tech Conference. Which one sounds most interesting to you?
I'm quite interested in the AI conference. What's that all about?
The AI Energy Conference at Gastech 2025 is all about exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming the energy sector. Expect discussions on AI applications in energy management, predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization, and much more. It's a great opportunity to connect with innovators and see the cutting-edge tech that's shaping the future of energy. Any other questions?
It sounds great. I'm looking forward to attending.
That's fantastic, Zelda. I'm sure you'll find it both inspiring and informative. If you need any help with the registration or have more questions later, feel free to reach out. Enjoy Gastech 2025.
Thank you. Bye-bye. That's it for now. If you're into practical AI, real-world innovation, and ideas that actually move the needle, you're in the right place. Hit like, smash that subscribe button, and drop a comment if you've got an event in mind that you could use this kind of technology for. This channel is where I share real AI tools solving real-world problems, and we're just getting started. Hope to see you in the next one.